hi young man, we have a church service this Sunday.
No miss the blessings, General.
Him not come.
Deliver your mercy whenever I fall. You lift me up. Glory to
Me a match it.
oh God.
You know it's your boy DJ Chaddy and I'm back again. Wayne Marshall. Drop the visuals for Glory Be to God. You know that gospel song there. Lord, I pray. No, me can't sing, but yeah, the man dropped the visuals feed. And I can't even say it's a music video because it's really not a music video. It's more like a short film. And me really want to review it, but too long, people. The video is 14 minutes long. So me can't review the entire video, but me can review my favorite parts of the video. And me can tell you a little about the video. So this one is going to be probably a long review. So sit back and relax and just listen and take in where Wayne Marshall say, Lord, I pray, deliver your mercy.
Please. Our Redeemer, saving grace. I know I'm not worthy to see your face. I try hard, but I make mistakes. You're still by my side every step that I take.
Big up J Will for this video. He is the director and I think he is the editor as well of this video. Even though Wayne Marshall sing the song and we have to give credit to Wayne Marshall for the song, but Marshall on a big man level, you see from me see that video, yeah, me see the concept and everything, you have to just sit down and give credits to everybody who play a major role in that video, yeah. Cause me know necessarily I know you script it or whatever. Even though if you script it, I want to really give the credit right now to J Will. You see me, because a lot of time, only the artists them alone get the credit. I want to understand what I say. Don't get me wrong. When I say, yo, Wayne Marshall no forget that portion of credit. But Marshall can get every credit on him sim for the song. But you see right now, you see that video here.
Lord, I pray, I honor your name, deliver your mercy whenever I fall. You lift me up, glory to thee, oh God.
Alright, you see that video you know? It shows that there's two sides to every story. And no curious see a man do wrongs more time. Sometimes he not necessarily want to do it. Or something drive him to do it. A survival drive him to do it. You know what I mean? And the video explains perfectly. It show you the good side and it show you the bad side. It show you where some people are faced in a life and why some people do something where them have to do. And then it show another side of the victim. Because remember, you know, victim in it as well, because the man run him distant liquor shop and that man from out of nowhere come rob him and shoot him. But make we continue watch the video to see what really go on. What really push him to give the businessman some can.
Marcus, we got long me a call you.
Please, see with me now.
I know such Sheldon in your sick.
I have my friend at Waterhouse have some money for me. I mean, I was to go
Stop
for
talking about your friend, I get the money.
I have the money, Emily.
Alright, I'm going to see if I can find my taxi. Sheldon, come, Sheldon.
Yo, you see that? You see that? The man not necessarily did want to shoot the man, you know. The man just literally in a position, him in a spot, and he needs some money. You see, say the man's son sick. And him could even tell him girl, say, yo, you know, say I rob, me go rob the money. The man tell lie, say I'm friend a Waterhouse scheme it. When him know say I rob him, go rob the money. You see them thing there? So this is a perfect example of a ghetto youth who want probably elevate himself, but now don't have no opportunities and don't know where to turn to. So him turn to the gun. Remember, you know, you see uptown life and downtown life are two different life. And you see uptown people will never know what it is until you go downtown to really see what it is and understand what it is. Enough people want to make it out of the ghetto. Enough people go to school and learn them lesson and do everything with society say them fi do. But yet still when them graduate, them don't have a job. Because of what? Them address. Or when them go so booms and pass them CXC, no college no or no school don't want to take them. And even if them take them go so booms again, now no money for the tuition.
can beg you, can my baby go up about some man to
I'm
please?
gonna take a piece
Please,
of
me beg you, we have money, we
lady.
have money.
Lady, so where the money?
Mama, just give me money. Give me
No
money.
money, driver. We have the money. See up the son for me.
man.
See up the son for me. You can't.
Come.
So taxi man, where you do round them acres there if you not take up people from round them acres there? And yo, wanna see that? Big up J Will again. That where the man just illustrate right there, so a blood money I spend. So what about the man where they get shot? Make we see what happened to him.
I pray, I honor your name, deliver your mercy. Whenever I fall, you lift me up. Glory to thee, oh God.
Yeah man, that's really an unfortunate situation. You can see the girls are Trimble star. And me have to big up the actors them. Because yo, the actors them in this shorts film / music video, yo, them shell, me not tell no lie. Yo, them bad.
Here you go.
Thank you. 3 grand, bossy.
You expecting more?
3 grand, bossy.
You come late, you don't work, people complain, and every job you do, the people them come back. What more you
Yeah,
expect?
but what about late? You know how much big truck me fix for a week?
Yeah, but everybody come back, complain, say you don't do no proper work.
3 grand, what do
I'm coming here drunk every morning, leave,
That's what we
man.
are talking about.
You're lucky you even get that. Today's the last day. I'm not putting up with it anymore. You're fired.
So that's the next scenario in the music video / short film. Yo, you see what me I talk about now? Pre this. The next hombre in the unfortunate situation where him son sick. Would I do anything to make some legitimate money? But what? The society him caught up in the society and the society caught up in him. While this big workless, big great one ass man sit down for the people and work and nah do nothing. Come and work junk and say, hear what the woman say? Him get the opportunity, you know, but him nah use it good. You have a saying in a Jamaica where say, want it, can't get it. And get it, no want it.
Whenever I fall, you lift me up. Glory to thee, oh God.
So while they're outside praying for the businessman to come through, pray say him not dead. The gunman just check in at the same hospital. John was star. This is really getting interested. So make we see what will happen next.
Fire me. Me help build that. Long me a work I place and go. Fire me. Me a machistic.
But obviously, you're machistic cause you did have to get fired there, so you can't have a job and not treat it like that. You got the people them work late and you got the people them work junk. No sir. But make we see what else are gonna take place. So obviously that girl is a friend of the family. That is if the businessman family. You see me? You can see earlier on them did a whole and a prayer. So she look like she's a Christian. A matter of fact, definitely she's a Christian. She was the one with Ryan Mark in the intro. I give out the flyer them to the same hombre we end up shoot the man.
Babe, what are you doing home so early? You won't believe the day that I had today. You remember brother Kevin? You know, see a hospital me just a come from. They shoot the brother Kevin, you know.
Okay, so apparently she and brother Kevin, that's the businessman, go the same church. Alright, make we see what more happen.
In the hospital.
Where it there?
You're not
I'm
here.
hungry. The plate empty. Go fill it.
Please.
Me don't want to hear no.
Now tell me so you take the money where you work, buy. Wait, no.
Listen, where you did that? Where you really did that?
And this is why me have to really love the music video, yeah? And applaud everybody who take part in the making of this music video / short film. It really show the troubles we have in a today society, in a today Jamaican society. So right there and then it a show abuse of drinking alcohol. Because him a drink alcohol, that cause him to lose him work. And right now him come home from work where him not have to go tomorrow cause him not work, him get fire, and him turn on the beating pan him wife. So right now this song is very relatable. The music video is very relatable. I think the music video is more relatable than the song. People, at this point I would really like you to give your honest opinion in the comment section. What you think about this music video? What you think about this song? You like it? Comment in the comment section below.
Lord, I pray, I honor your name, deliver your mercy. Whenever I fall, you lift me up. Glory to thee, oh God.
So at the same blood money if you pay for the youth doctor fee. And you say my girl if you put makeup over her eye. And that for sure in a today's society. Enough woman get beaten from them man, boyfriend, common law spouse, husband, whatever the case may be. And them have to put makeup over them eye to cover the bruises just to go work and them thing there. Yo, me tell about the music video here, you know, but make we see what go on because the businessman not dead. Thank God.
Lord, I pray, I honor your name, deliver your mercy. Whenever I fall, you lift me up. Glory to thee, oh God.
So right now, the little you now get better so you can see say my turn to the church for help. So make we see what go on.
Lord, I pray, I honor your name, deliver your mercy. Whenever I fall, you lift me up. Glory to thee, oh God. Lord.
So everybody woke up at the same church. Yo, the music video is bad, the short film is bad. J Will did a good job. All of the actors them did a good job. Wayne Marshall did a good job. But you see right now, me I go end the review right here. You see me? Me now go show what happened in the last part. So all you know have to do, look in the description. Me I go put the link to the full song. So you can go check it out for yourself. Cause me nah spoil the surprise. You know what I mean? It's your boy DJ Chaddy. And you can follow me on Instagram at I am DJ Chaddy. So that's at I am DJ CHADDY. People, make we have a decent conversation in the comment section. Tell me what you think about this song. Tell me what you think about the video. Are you a victim of abuse? Are you a victim of domestic violence? Are you a victim of the society? I want to hear your thoughts. So just tell me in the comment section below. I will be reading. And if you like this video, I'm begging you, please give it a like now, man. And if you don't, you know what to do. If it's the first time watching this video, welcome to the Chaddy TV. We do videos like these all the time. So if you like it, just hit that subscribe button and turn on post notification. So anytime I upload videos like these, you're gonna be the first to know. And people, remember, I'm on the way to 1,000 subscribers. So help me to reach 1,000 subscriber. It's your boy DJ Chaddy, and I'm out.
Okay, young man, we have a church service this Sunday.
No miss the blessings, General.
Him not come.
Deliver your mercy. Whenever I fall, you lift me up.
Fire me.
Glory to
Me a majesty.